I told you? You know, I like to tease you guys a little bit. That little foreplay. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we have a few unboxings to do. We have the Boxycharm Base box. This is the one that I paid for. If you have not already seen the one I got in PR, I will leave that down below. You might want to check that one out. And then I ordered a few things from the Boxy Charm pop-up. So that came today. Today is Sunday when I'm filming. And I was shocked to see that something was delivered on a Sunday. So if you're interested to see, did I get a better box than my PR box? And what did I get in the Boxycharm pop-up store? Then keep on watching. Alright, so let's do the Boxycharm first because I'm dying to see what variation that I got. This just came the same day. It came Saturday. I'm filming on a Sunday. It came the same day as my Boxycharm Premium. They both were shipped the same time, so it was like sitting in another state for almost 10 to 12 days. And like I said, I just got it. Alright, and it was like shipped on the 12th, so I don't blame Boxycharm for this because they did ship it, you know? So it says, "Hello, Charmer," and I love the red and black together. And it just says Boxycharm. So the theme for this month is sunshine. And here is a little sneak peek. Not too much. You know, I like to tease you guys a little bit. That little foreplay. Alright, so let's go over what I got. So the first thing is this color switch, and I love these color switches. And you can get these for like $8 at Ulta. You can get them for $1 at Wish. Let's see how much this is saying it is. It's saying $20. No. And even these like little sponges, you can save these and use it as color switches. I would never pay $20 for these because, I mean, you can get them a lot cheaper. And, oh my God. Hold the phone. I got to pick that up. Alright, so that's what she looks like, and if you don't know what it is, you open it up, and this sponge here, you would take like an eyeshadow brush after you go in with the shadow, and you just do that, and then you can go use it and go in with another color. So, there we go, and it's just like a sponge. You just take it out and you'd wash it, you know. Alright, so we have that. Already, I do like this. Boxycharm is $25 a month if I didn't tell you. So this almost pays for the box, but I do enjoy color switches. Alright, so then we have this Hank & Henry. It looks like a lipstick. I've never tried their bullet lipstick. I've only tried its like liquid lipsticks. And this is the Lip Love Luxe lipstick, and this says it's $17. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh! That packaging is gorgeous. Oh my God. Wow. So how do you open it? Oh, okay. So you would press this and then you take it out. So that's good. It does. Okay. Thought something's wrong. It has like glitter on it, guys. What? All right, let's swatch it. Alright, so when you swatch it, there's no glitter. It's like a brown color. Back in the 90s, that's all that I wore is these brown colors. I will mix it in because that's a little too brown for me. But this is pretty. Like, how much did I say this was? And then you would just push it in. So that way it doesn't fall out of your pocketbook and stuff. $17. I really like this. Like, this is a good thing. Oh, look. I pushed it down and this thing came out. Alright, let me leave it out. The next thing is, I don't know what happened here. This is a vitamin C booster. This is what I picked. No, because I got this in my other Boxycharm. That's why I'm reminded. So it's a vitamin C. I'm going to put this aside. It's been in the heat for, what, 20 days? No. At least 2 weeks. And I hope that it didn't lose its potency, you know, because vitamin C, you want to store in a cool place and in a dark place. But otherwise, I would have put it in a giveaway. But I'm a little skeptical to put this in a giveaway. But so I'll use it. Oh, let me tell you how much that puppy is. $49.95. Alright, so the next thing we got is from Hourglass. This is a micro brow pencil for $28. And this is in the shade Warm Brunettes. Okay. So it doesn't have a spoolie. Let's see. I could try to make it work. It's not dark enough for me. Maybe I can use it in the front, but we'll see. I will try to make it work. And last but not least, I was hoping for this. This is the Pure Cosmetics Festival palette. This is a 2.0, and it is $36. All right, I seen a lot of people's black shade was broken. So let's see if this is broken. The first one that we got, the Festival palette, I did not like. It had that blue shade. Oh, good. Mine's not broken. So there we go. So I got variation 70. Let me know in the comments down below what variation you got. All right, let's swatch a couple. Okay. These two, like, light ones didn't swatch really good. They're not that pigmented, but let's see. Yeah. But these ones are. Okay, the blue one, not. They don't swatch. I don't like Pure's formula. Let me know if you guys got the Raw Beauty Christy and Pure. I didn't order it because I don't like Pure's formula. But there we go. All right, there is one more shimmer shade. This is like a dark greenish black. And when you swatch, it kind of looks a little matte. I mean, they're all right. I'll play around with it to see how it works. But let's do the matte shade. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, let's do. And let me do the deepest one, the brown. Yeah, see, they don't swatch. That's the first time. I'm going to go back in and see if it's buildable. Yeah, they're definitely buildable. So then I'm okay with this palette because, like I said, it is buildable. All right, so let's recap what I got in the base box for $25. And like I said, this is one that I paid for. Nothing came swatched. Nothing came broke, which is good. So I got the Pure Festival palette. I'm glad to get this, and I'll play around with it and then let you guys know. Swatches don't mean anything. I got the brow pencil, which, do they even go by profiles? Because this is definitely too light for me, but I'll try to make it work. I've never tried the Hourglass Festival palette. This, I am so excited for. This is so pretty. Like, I can't tell you, the camera's not doing justice. It's so, so, so pretty. It's very browny, but I can go in with a lip liner and make it work, you know. I am really excited about this. Like, really, really excited. So I'm happy for that. We got this vitamin C. This is really good if you have, like, dark spots, sunspots. But because it was sitting in the heat for so long, for over 2 weeks, I'm a little scared that maybe it didn't work. And then we got this color switch, which, I mean, I really don't want in a Boxycharm, but I'm not mad that I got it, if that makes sense. You know, I wouldn't have preferred it, but I'm not mad that I got it. So that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm box. So now let's go in and show you what I picked up through the Boxy pop-up store. Alright, so I already opened it up and used one of the products. I was really excited. So I picked out a few things. Alright, the first thing I picked out was this Glam Glow Moisturizer. And I didn't open this up. Let me see what it looks like. I like Glam Glow and I like moisturizers. So, oh, and it's like a green color. But it's definitely not filled all the way up, if you guys can see. The light is, let me turn down the light a little bit. Maybe you can see a little better. Let's see. See if that worked. Yeah, if you can see, it's not filled all the way. But I got it for a very good price. So excited for that. The packaging's really pretty. This is what I tried. This is from Bite Beauty. This is their lip balm. This is the Nighttime Lip Therapy. And I was so excited to see this. I should have got two. And it's the agave. And then I like it because it has a little spoon so you can go in and dig it out. If you have not tried this, guys, because I don't like putting my finger in, so I'm really glad that it came with a spoon. You have not tried this. This is amazing. And if you don't know, I did get my lips done, what, 2 weeks ago? And one thing that nobody ever tells you when you get your lips done, like your lips are dry. And they get dry and you constantly want to like lip your lips. So it's like I'm really going in with the lip balm all the time. So I am definitely glad to get this. Then we got, so this is the Tula skincare. This is that glow, the stick for your eyes. When I seen last month people get it, I really, really wanted it because, you know, I'm aging. I'm 44 years young. So I was like, I like anything for the eyes. So take this off, and it's like a stick, like a cooling stick. So I was glad this is in pop-up because I was like jealous when I seen people get it, and I didn't get it. So then we got this Beauty by Pop Sugar. This is the Make Me Blush Cheek Palette, and I got it in the shade Meet Cute 01. There was like 4 shades to pick from, and I was going to get another one too because I believe these were only $6. But I have so many blushes, but I did want to try it. So it has a mirror. Then that's what she looks like. And I'm just going to mix my finger all around and see the color. And that is like very, very pink. And that's what I wanted because I have so many like mauve shades. I mean, you can hardly see that. Where is it? Where you be? It's buildable, but it's very, very light. So I'm glad I only paid $6 for it, not full price. But I don't have any like pinky colors. So there are a couple dark shades that I have, and then I can mix these and make it lighter. So that's why I got that. And then I got this Too Faced Sugar Peach palette. And I was like, oh, I don't have that. So this is what it looked. What the hell? This is stuck. It was so hot. Remember I told you? I hope, oh my God, how am I going to get that off? Let me know down below how I can get this sticker off. Oh, that sucks. Okay. So it has a nice mirror, but that's what it looks like. So pretty. All right, so here are 2 blushes. So you have a peach and a pink. Then it looks like 2 like highlighting shades. But I mean, they're all supposed to be blushes, but I like matte blushes. This is the only matte blush. And it's like a peach color. It's very pretty. It's not as, what the heck? Where's the pigment? But let's see if it's buildable. You guys, I always tell you I'd rather have a buildable blush, but damn. They feel good and they look good when you swatch them. Alright, well, I got it. I'll definitely play around with it. I'm really upset. Like I told you, it was stuck for like 2 weeks and it's been very hot. So, alright, well, I'll recap really quickly and show you what I got. So I got this bad boy here. I got the other blush. I got this. I'm really excited for this for your eye. I got a Glam Glow moisturizer and this Agave from Bite Beauty lip balm. That you definitely need to get this and try this. Any of the Bite Beauty like lip balms, I really truly recommend. Really, if you have the extra money, try it. You will not be unsatisfied. Alright, so that's everything. What did you think what I got in my base box? Did you guys go shop at Pop-Up? Did you? If you did, let me know down below what you got. I am very nosy. And that's everything. If you enjoyed this unboxing, if you enjoy me unboxing Boxycharm, then please give this video a like. It really does help me out. It only takes a second, and it helps YouTube get me in the algorithm the more likes that I get. If you enjoy unboxings, subscription boxes, mystery boxes, hauls, reviews, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to put the post notification bell on and make sure that you double tap it and that it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos because YouTube doesn't like notifying people anymore. And that is everything, guys. Stay blessed. Stay healthy and try to stay cool in this hot weather that we're having. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to let me know how your day is going. All right, guys. Bye.